Sanded it down. So I just sanded it down, got it taped up. All right, I just finished painting my car. This is my first time doing something like this. I did have some runs, but once it's fully dry, I will wet sand it out. But to be honest, it doesn't look too bad. It's not perfect, but it looks way better than it did before. So I can't complain. I'm pretty happy with it.
So nice. I'm so impressed.
Thank you, Mom.
Wow.
I get that creative gene from you.
I know. It looks so nice. I'm so impressed. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you.